Is Medicare Part B free? Let's just say Medicare Part A in general is free for a lot of people when they reach retirement. Since you've been paying into FICA out of your paycheck your entire life, you've been paying for it this whole time. But Medicare Part B is not free. But you say, I have a friend and she said she doesn't pay anything. If your income is low enough, you might actually get your Medicare subsidized, and it might not cost you anything, but the vast majority of people will pay for Medicare when they reach retirement. And for Medicare, that age is still 65. I know you've been following me. You know that the Social Security age is not 65, full retirement age, but Medicare has not changed. It is still 65. So let's talk about the cost of Medicare Part B. If you're getting ready to go on Medicare, let's talk about that. Or if you're already on Medicare and your thinking is it going to go up? Yeah, it goes up every year. So it is not free for the majority of people. This is the average person in 2024 will pay $175 a month. That's the average person, and that comprises about 90% of the people that are on Medicare. You're getting ready to go on Medicare the remainder of 2024. So that is what you can expect, how much you actually pay for your Medicare. And it's based on how much you earn 2 years prior. You're like, what? Yep. They recalculate how much you pay for Medicare every year based on your modified adjusted gross income on your taxes from 2 years prior. So 2 years ago, as an individual who's made less than $130,000 a year, you're going to pay the average, which is $175 a month. But if you made over $103 and $1 more over that, you're going to pay more a month. Again, you'll also pay more for your Part D. Now that's as an individual. If you're married, you have your marriage charts here. You might want to download my cheat sheet, post it in the description below, and you can print it out. On that chart, these are the numbers for 2024. The numbers for next year will come out probably in November of this year. And of these, all just edge up just a little bit each year, like a couple thousand. With inflation, it might not go up that much. Who knows what they're going to do? But anyway, you can see that the average person pays $175 a month. But some people pay over $200. Some people pay over $300. Some even all the way up to $600 a month they might have to pay for their Medicare Part B. And most people are really shocked. And I always say, well, congratulations, you are a high earner. And they're like, no, I was a high earner 2 years ago. Now I'm not. So if you get one of those surcharges and you feel that it's not fair, give us a call. We can help you file an appeal with Medicare, because there are certain things that you would qualify for to help you get that lowered. And for about 50-50 with people actually appealing that and getting it lowered. The good news is you pay that for 1 year. This is 1 year at a time. Next year, they will look at your income for 2 years prior and figure out how much you're going to pay. So not only is Medicare Part B not free, but you might pay a lot more than what you were expecting. This is just a great fun video, so I hope you're not falling over. But Medicare Part B does go up every year. Now, this is shocking to people that just went on Medicare, and they've been on Medicare for the first time, and they're like, $175 a month, it's more than I expected. So I may continue to work, and they don't expect that. It's going to go up a lot every year for the rest of your life. I don't have a crystal ball, but I see with all the inflation numbers, and I'm suspecting that 2025 is going to be another astronomical jump. Now, your income is set, you're retired. Most people are who have a very fixed income, so you're taking a big bite out of your Social Security every year with your Medicare Part B. So let's flip this. Let's talk about the people that might get Medicare for free. They get some assistance from their Medicare Part B, and those are the people that have applied for the Medicare Savings Program. The Medicare Savings Program is to help low-income seniors pay or Medicare Part B so that you can either call us at SSG Insurance and we can help you apply, or you can try to do it alone. I do have a link to the Medicare Savings Program inside my link below where it will lead you to how to apply for that program. Or you can Google Medicare Savings Program and then you'll put in your state because you're going to apply through your state, and it's based on your income, your assets. So if you qualify, you might get a reduced Medicare Part B, or you might get it for free. Like I said, the majority of people are paying for Medicare Part B, and they're all paying the same amount. You might be lucky where you do get it for free, or you might be unlucky where you're paying way, way more than the average person. Again, this is looked at again every year. So if you have any more questions about Medicare Part B on this channel, I have some great videos that can explain more. How to sign up for Medicare, and you can go to our link below and watch the free Medicare workshop on how to sign up, or you can schedule a time with us to chat about your specific situation. We can help you if you're getting ready to sign up for Medicare Part B, what to expect, how much it's going to cost. So go to our website here. There's a great video if you're getting ready to go on Medicare. It's our Medicare workshop. If you need to schedule an appointment, you can click down in the description. There is you can schedule an appointment. We don't charge you for our consultations. It's free without charge. If you work with us, the price is already baked into whatever insurance plan that you need. If you just want advice about Medicare Part B, there's nothing to sell you. We don't get paid. We're just a resource that can help. We work in 10 states, and we can add your state if we don't have it, if need be. So if you are confused about this, and don't be embarrassed, because everybody is, and we're here to help. If you like this video, you might really like our other videos, so go ahead and check them out. And we'd really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video that we put out. I'm continuing to build this channel, so stay tuned. Also, in the description below this video, there is a link, again, to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And if you could also give us a comment, or if you have a specific question, please feel free to schedule a one-on-one consultation, or email us or text us. The link is in the description below.